Hi everyone, my name is Asadi Cahyadi. In this season, I'm going to present about civil engineering and construction. I'm making this presentation as part of my assessment for our English course. I'm very excited to share this with you. Let's dive into the topic. This session, I want to share it civilian engineering and construction. Technical field on civilian construction is analyzing the specialist engineering domain required to safely convert architectural design blueprint into real-world physical structure and geotechnical engineering. Structural engineering focus directly on structural design, calculating load distribution, structural safety threshold, and structural material behavior. Ensure that constructed space remain completely safe and durable against natural environmental loading such and high wind velocity and seismic event. And geotechnical engineer conduct an analytical evaluation of ground soil behavior, slope stability rating, ground loading capacities, and excavation dynamic. Determines critical foundation specification, ensuring structural stability before the main structural framework begin assembly. And then infrastructure subdiscipline consists in transportation, hydraulic and water, and environmental. Transportation engineering and logistical planning of modern highway, railroad, public transport link, and airfield to optimize safe transit. Hydraulic and water, designing dynamic fluid control network, industrial dam, wastewater network, drainage, and massive urban flood defense grid. And environmental, managing soil erosion control program, solid waste control system, and environment compliance parameter. Earthwork and site preparationing, clearing and grubbing, removing native surface vegetation, organic topsoil layers, and hidden underground root system. Bulk excavation, excavating, programmatic cut and fill, sequence ligand ground geometry with specific grade elevation. Compaction, compressing porous loose earth using heavy industrial vibratory rolls to eliminate structural void. And then project execution phase. Number 1 is design. Design is feasibility studies, physical ground exploration, structural stress modeling, and final approval cycle. Number 2, pre-con. Pre-con is scoring legal permit, searching subcontractor, organizing structural mobilization and fencing. Number 3, build is executing massive excavation, concrete pouring, erecting framework, and setting building envelope. Number 4, handover. Handover is defect rectification audit, structural stress safety checkout, and updating as-built documentation. Next, primary construction material. In the table, material class, key mechanical properties, and structural application. Material class, reinforces concrete. Key mechanical properties, incredibly high compression capacity, fire safe, heavy bulk mass. Structural application is structural foundation, retaining wall, and brick substructures. Next, safety and incident management. 100% target safety compliance. Enforcing preventive control. Enforcing strict site control. Police ensure everyone arrive home safely. Daily perceive, toolbox, brief, and safety sweep remain foundational role in modern construction location. By enforcing personal protective equipment (PPE) standard alongside clear hazard barricading, you systematically limit exposure to high-risk environment. The typical project cost distribution is source material 14%, on-site labor force 13%, heavy machinery rental 15%, planning and engineering 10%, contingency pools 5%. Primary cause of structural failure is design calculation deficiencies, success or execution error, substandard source material, extreme weather, and natural disaster. Digital civil construction tools is building information modeling. Building information modeling atau BIM form this backbone of digital job site by linking 3D geometry with scheduling variable. Engineers perform automate structural class check. The systematic virtual integration resolve design class reduction, costly field modification, and construction delay. Thank you.